We all want to look our best when we go out on a party, meeting a friend, or a date night. We put on our best outfit, pretty makeup to go with the outfit, and pick some trendy jewelry. And just before leaving the house, that final look to make sure everything is perfect. But then suddenly you realize, what's wrong with my hair? Why it's so flat? Okay, so I have to think of something to change my look. Who else can help better than Google? Okay, so I've got some trendy pictures, and in all the pictures I can see there are beautiful curls. Looks like I got a secret weapon. So now let's open it. This color is by Duval, and inside the package I've got one glove, heat resistant, and then I'm gonna use it to kill someone. Well, no, to curl my hair. And then comes our savior. I'm super excited to use this thick color.
If you're enjoying this video, so please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click on the bell notification.
So guys, to start, there is a on and off button, and then there is a plus and minus to increase or decrease the temperature. So start with brushing your hair and then make very small sections, and each section make sure there are no tangles, and then begin with taking a smaller section, and then I'm going to do the outward curls. So make sure you keep it away from your face. It is so self-explanatory, so you have to keep it for a few seconds. It depends on the thickness of your hair. And slide this curler to reveal the beautiful curl. To start with, keep this curler on for a few seconds on your hair, and then depending on the result, increase or decrease the time. This is the first time I'm using this curler, and already I'm in love with this curler. It is so easy to use, and the temperature settings can go really high. Try to keep this curler away from your face, neck and scalp because it's very hot. So in a similar fashion, I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair except the front section. And now comes the front section. For the front section, I'm gonna curl very end of my hair, or I would say from the middle length towards the end of my hair, because that way it looks more natural and it frames your face nicely. So look how beautifully this curl will frame my face. So I'm gonna repeat same steps on the other side of my hair. So starting from the end, and then I will curl hair outwards. Please keep it away from your skin. And my curls are almost done, and I'm looking forward to reveal it to you guys. And now comes the front section. For the front section, I'm gonna curl very end of my hair, or I would say from the middle length towards the end of my hair, because that way it looks more natural and it frames your face nicely. And the final look. How pretty are these curls? Isn't it so Bollywood type? This color is by Duval. You can get 70% discount if you use the coupon code mentioned in the description box. Have a look, guys. What else can you ask for?
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. If you have any video requests, please do let me know by commenting in the section below. You can also let me know either on Facebook or Instagram. So I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep your locks nice and curly. Bye!
Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn